Breadfruit in a tree. Parry, and look what here is got, they go pick. Like in here, so we have any.
Close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing a little thing at home. Fat again, but I'm not saying nothing because I drought time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire, go on, Parry, fire too much in the heat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the bread jelly this year. Whoa! You don't want your mother. You go up in the breadfruit. You go pick a brush out there. Alright, Parry. This is how we look at brethren. Yeah, no man. You not show Alan one way there, don't it? But look here. Yeah. You see breadfruit tree, Parry up in that tree, the ear is a go you know. We want to sample the breadfruit in our breadfruit crop here. Yeah. So. Why them tree are hang over here so they can't cut them off through the camera dark? Can't get the good light in Paris, sorry for that. Yeah, that big old guango tree away see hang over it at take, you know. Morning, darling. So this is another again, a Mama Liko next to the house. Down here so the boys occupy this one. See it there? It in a pretty bad shape too. But by faith, they be there on the road. We are trying recovery. It's gonna be a long what you call that now?
Bumpy ride.
Yeah, bumpy ride to get these, but we are trying. We are trying, you know. It's gonna be a bumpy ride Aries to get them here come back. But we not give up because look here. Then look how house here then strong. But as we go along, so look here now. Here is this, you know. Where's the tree root this? Here is this. Here is I gonna go up in that though. Go up in a tree here is my question about what we did to country here, boy. Up in a brush tree. Yeah, show them how you do it, boy. As a countryman climb tree, you know. Careful up there, boy.
Yeah, man. What is it?
Hey, I tear down, see? Woo! Lord God.
I've put any problem, eh?
Yeah. Hey, then get the Korean, you know. And full up quick, man, and we soon can start roast breadfruit down watch a Parry. Big old land this year, you know, we are going to rake up and clean up for roast brochet. Roast brochet at St. Mary. Look on the big space. But should tear down your whole kitchen, my God, in demolish it. I've got to take up them if you clean up down here, so. So we have the space here to host any brochet camp, any roast breadfruit camp. So you better comment and tell me if you want to ride on the Debbie Deb's train, because within another month, brochet go up here like trouble, like Aries. Brochet we say. Yeah. You still see it anyhow? You still see it? Eh. You don't care to stick up there with you? Oh. Yeah, and go. Whoa, breeze a blow with man up in a brochet tree. No, sir.
You like when the breeze a blow, you know?
You like when the breeze a blow you up there to carry the whole of the tree. Whoa. Well, there is. We had to come down. Well, lad, sit down, good boy.
I like you, man.
Hey. Here is come down because yeah, the tree.
And the tree are things up.
The Alan, me feel say that stick there too fat, it too heavy.
Oh, and here it's tree, there are 2 years now. I like you can do it.
And where you man? When you up in a tree, you stick for light, you know.
That's every year, right? Right, hold it.
Well, if he make him go up, look more. One up at top the Alan, way up in it. Alan, man, you make his stick drop and drop back for me, yeah.
No, man. No, man. I go just for that.
Him not catch that one there then though.
Which one?
One way up in at the point. Me not think you'll catch it. Come and show it, Alan. Way up underneath there, so it's at the fullest one. I don't know if the camera catch it. See it there? You see it? See there? You see it? We don't like a teeny one. I don't think the camera go catch it. Yeah, it's full. You see it, Aries? Yeah, push the stick almost towards it.
Almost towards
Man, you drop in your head though, in a youth. You see it? You have to position yourself better though.
See that swing there?
Watch your head. I don't like how it's shaped towards your head. You up in a tree at the sightings.
You hold on good enough, my son.
Yeah, hey, yo. If you can't catch it, leave it.
Good, man. Oh, one
Yeah. Yeah, the one that got awkward. Yeah, that I said don't try that one them. I don't like that position there.
The one right out there, say, pick a one there.
Which one?
The one right out there to itself there. The right out there to itself. Look like you look out the road like, you know, and
His son.
Jordan is stick come on, yeah, sugar on the stick on that, sugar on. Sugar on the round one. Come on, sugar on some more.
You want to try this?
Now, and then I want this thing.
Oh, which one?
I want it the way out further out sir. I might tell you sugar on this. I don't know if you can see it, because I might be then limb there before you.
Yeah, it kind of awkward from that end, yeah.
You have to carry down the stick way down here, so. Come down to me with this stick. Yeah,
A country people talk that it come down, shub. So we talking up, Ari. That's how country people speaks.
You see that limb there before you, yeah, so? I wonder if you can use the stick and
Once you see it, you know.
You know, some people say here is a real breadfruit picker.
No, I'm going to tell you.
but come in there now.
Yeah, him are the best.
Yeah, I want it to itself right out.
It's a Tommy a breadfruit tree climber.
Push the stick straight up. Yes. Yes, right. Right. Yes.
But that young one they are picking up, picking bigger.
I young one. That one. That's not like that one.
We all cut one pan it, man.
Yeah, it's the one.
Ants. Ants, Alan, ants. What? Up here, leave your pick earrings. Boop. No, so I little one that. No gully.
Put in a foot. I write one pick.
That look like a little one. You see it now?
Yes. No, come on. So one nice one.
Make sure you all good. You grab you think that your foot good enough. Ears. Me not like how you stay, you know. Well, every one of them you see you say can't peek.
One day right after two legs for
I not pick none. Alright, drop him now. Hey Alan, mind yourself down a gully. Me just stay a good boy. Let me see that brush here there, Alan. Look how much breadfruit in a tree. Parry, and look what here is got, they got pick. Like in here, so we have anybody that are pregnant. Hey, look where him got pick. Me need them a young breadfruit here. See breadfruit picker they tell me. I go up night tree now.
I'm always climbing that tree, man.
It's a special people for climb that tree, yeah? I real breadfruit picker this part. Here is coming out of tree. Now pick no more breadfruit for the rest of the next 3 breadfruit crop. Right, Alan? Here is not pick no more breadfruit for the rest of the whole 3 breadfruit crop.
I wanted to show me because I'm here to play. You look big up there.
Man, I make crutch for pick the breadfruit, man. Here is Banner Town. Yeah.
Hold on, you know, this one big one, man.
If they right in the pass, I want the where you see the cluster part, so we can't.
Big one in there, we not too far, but it's not come down.
So you never did know the style of earrings before you go up in a tree?
We just climb tree.
Wow.
If you climb a tree, then where you will get bosun.
No, sir. Come and see that rope on the tree. Blue balls.
A blue ball.
Child, make sure you catch blue balls up in there.
Why? No, sir.
I'm him climbing all the while.
Milton? Go pick that breadfruit and give me, boy. And put in a soup.
Milton, mind the job out in the man. I'll put a little place, the car tree a little bit. Come like a body, leave the body that you close and stuff.
Oh, Jesus.
That's hilarious when they run. Beat already.
Are you fi boy? Hey! Broke off the all rotten. Yes.
That's why you see me broke out that key.
You have to be careful when you go. Them breadfruit tree are all in there. That's the thing, you know. So this one cut down?
Stay right there, so no go for
It have to hold the land, man.
Oh, you're right up there, my boy.
Stay right there, so
Right there, so it have to hold the land and gully. We can't make it gully run, right? So you have to say it one cut down and that's just a breadfruit we eat off, right, boy? Show Tommy one over in head. One over Tommy head, they were well full. I'll move from there, sir. Move from there where you're there. And then knock out. And number 3. Brush, yeah, you see what me tell you, say, Alan? Right in the line of the breadfruit. Yeah, man. When mama was alive, you can't cook them, give mama. Them are too full. Yeah, but if we share good things, we go there. Real cooking breadfruit, them here. Mama want them younger and this. Yeah, I call that one there. So my mother comment, Perry, you like your breadfruit. I like it so young. Some people love this with salt mackerel. Yeah. They've got to cook a pot of red pea soup, so you show people them a lot. An idea.
Red piece.
Aries, looking at the camera and tell you are not a breadfruit picker. You're right.